What's up everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is going to be a trade breakdown on a trade I took on Friday the 13th of March on YM. This was a short trade. Mondays and Fridays are where I stream my private Discord, as I know a lot of people have been DMing me saying why weren't you on TikTok or YouTube Live, but yeah, that's where I am. So yeah, a couple of my members took this, which is very good to see. One of my members is in Miami and he managed to take this through with a signal, which is amazing as well. So I wanted shorts. It was pretty easy. I expected a 1 hour market maker sell model and a 4 hour market maker sell model. So after that, I knew what my bias was, and I wanted us to naturally just to draw down to this external level down here, right at 46333. Okay, so once we were drawing down to there, all I have to do is wait for my key time, and I need to wait for news to get out of the way, and I need to wait for obviously the kill zone and my setup, right? So I actually took this trade after 10 as there was news. So this is where it gets interesting, right? What I want you to do here is I want you to look at this chart and tell me, is there any 4 hour SMT? There's not, no. So there's no 4 hour SMT, so naturally I went down to the 1 hour, sorry. So once we go down to the 1 hour, I want you to now point out, can you see the difference in SMT? You can see here that YM created the higher high, while ES and NQ created the lower high inside of a 1 hour key level, right? We have this fair value gap here, right? And we also have this 1 hour external here, right? So after that, we've got a bias, we've got a higher time frame PY. In theory, we should be going down to the 5 minute, but I didn't go down to the 5 minute. Why? I didn't want to go down to the 5 minute because we had all these 1 hour bullish PD arrays here. So I wanted more confirmation, as it was a Friday as well, and I was already up in the week. Okay, so I wanted to wait, okay? So I waited till the 15 minute. I sat on my hands a bit more, even though there was beautiful setups on both 15 minute NQ and ES and the 5 minute, I waited for the 15 minute, okay? So this is what we see here. This is the YM short. So I got in this trade at 10:45 after news, which is amazing, right? And I actually added in my fundeds here, I believe it was, off this M15 inverse value gap. So once we got a candle close through that, I added in here, right at 11:30. So it's still inside the kill zone. Anyway, so this was a lovely short. It did chop around a bit though, I'm not gonna lie, but we have to trust the model. As up, it ended my week on around 3.7 R up, which I'll put on the screen here because this is the weekly kind of recap I do. But yeah, overall, pretty good week. It was very difficult to navigate some of the price with obviously what's going on in the US. But you just need to know when to sit on your hands, and you need to know when to apply risk, which I've done quite well this week. So overall, I'm happy. I'm happy with how my members done. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all learned something. As always, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them down below.